Welcome to Things Invest. We talk about investing, finance, and professional development. That's a recording time of 5:48 p.m. on the Eastern Time. Ethereum country $3,982, up about 2.74% so far. On the overall crypto market, it's relatively healthily green today, and I would say with respect to the key coins, kind of stabilizing, normalizing, hovering above or in proximity to the relatively high concentrated consolidated zone. While some of the altcoin are a little bit more prominent today, but the majority, I would say, in the average perspective, we are collectively up close to about 2.5% on the overall crypto market at the moment. And with respect to the technicals, let's just dive right into it, shall we? And then go through the news. I would say it's relatively not the most active day on the media front, which is very logical. It's the typical observations that we've been talking about historically. The news start to pop up a little bit more, I guess, more pertinent as the timing begins around like 4:30 p.m. on the Eastern Time, 5:30 p.m. But the real news, are typically a little bit more active around Sunday. That's like the cross section between the international side of the news start to emerge with the weekend news, I guess on the domestic front in U.S. right. So we heard that we'll look into the news tomorrow a little bit more, but overall today is a normalizing. Seems like a healthy behavior among a lot of long-term investors, with a lack thereof in terms of media manipulations, I guess, which is good. We appreciate something like this. I think this is a breather that we collectively deserve after the volatile weeks, and I would say even a month collectively of just up down type of roller coaster ride, right? I think the G force that we are collectively feeling is definitely hurting our stomach a little bit. So hopefully we are taking our Alka-Seltzer and we're taking our heartburn medicine, by reading into the technicals to, mitigate our stomach pain, if you may. So with respect to the technical front, let's just dive right into it and not waste any time. With respect to recording time, again, at 5:51 p.m. on the Eastern Time, Ethereum is basically hovering around $4,000 mark, which is technically the non-substantive consolidation area above the real substantive consolidation area at the 3,850. So at the moment right now, we are at the 46 out of 70, so still relatively, in the neutral level. We are showing some signs of reversal covering up right now. So I think, if we are going to be enduring some positive pressure ahead of the Christmas time with lack of, negative news, I think we should be, sustaining the surge going forward, right? And I think this is a critical level that we are around right now. So it's important that we sustain at this level to continue I guess, the cup and handle that we're forming for, right? Technically, the cup is still here, the rim is still here, the handle is still here. So, but if we crack below, right, that's gonna be something we need to watch out for, right? So, with respect to Bitcoin right now, is currently about basically $47,000 in between the levels, right? We're levitating, but the real consolidation level is somewhere around like the 47,900 versus the 43,900, right? So we are contemplating where we want to go right now, and we're at the 37 out of 70 right now, curving up. So I think Bitcoin is still bullish, and it probably makes sense to keep, incurring some risk at the moment if you have some cash reserve on the side. Respect to Dogecoin is currently up about 2.50% right now, up, just close to being about just around the same compared to the key coins, if you may, with the 42 out of 70 curving upward right now. But Dogecoin is one of those meme coins that I know some of my friends here are saying like I shouldn't be really covering this anymore. It's kind of like a stupid thing to waste my time on. But some people actually invest in Dogecoin, so I want to be thoughtful with the collective audience that we have. So right now, anywhere from like the current level to the 15 is still a not terrible level to encourage if you believe in it, obviously. Cardano is about 2.3%. Anywhere from 134 to 119 is still a good dip. I think right now is still a good level to encourage right now. Solana is right now at the 183. So right now we see that we're forming a golden cross. We're fusing together with the 47 out of 70. So that means that we are at the cusp of going up as the golden cross forms to try to break 195, right? The 195 is because that's a substantive level to get to 200. It's a flat number, and we got canceled out many times in the past, right? So it's something we have to be aware of. But if we believe, the long term, I think right now it's not a terrible level to incur some risk right now. But it's at the neutral level, not the discount level that we're looking for when we were at the 155. XRP is up about 3.04% right now. Anywhere from like the 88 to 78 is still a good dip for us. I think we are still at the okay level at the 41, so it's not like the best but not the worst either. So XRP is still a logical risk if you want to be incurring right now. Polkadot is up about 2.91% so far. In respect to 35 out of 70 is not a terrible level to incur risk right now. I think we're at the basically bottom right now for Polkadot, so not terrible for Iku. Basically anywhere from 25 to 23 is still the dip for us. Algorand's up about 1.2% right now. Anywhere from current level to 130 is the dip for us with the 38 out of 70, so it's not terrible actually. Shiba Inu again, right? 2,900 to 900 is still when I would start to incur risk. I think right now pretty much it's not terrible, but Shiba Inu is like losing mad steam right now. You can see clearly how much people are giving up on this right now. For obvious reasons, a meme coin, so it's definitely tough to see. Some people actually bought at the peak, and they're probably holding the backs right now. And it's gonna be a long one because Shiba Inu is very meme-like, so it's hard to get confidence unless there's real corporate investors going into this. MagTech's up about close to 5% right now. It's about to form a golden cross, so we will see a little bit more surge pressure coming. I think we are still in a bullishness right now. I think the next level ideally will go to will be against 240, right? That's where the next level is. If we could even get higher, it's possible because we are about to form a golden cross all over again. You saw the last golden cross, we crossed up, we went all the way to 260. So this could technically break all-time high if that was the case. So MagTech is relatively bullish right now, I would say. AVAX currently up about close to 4% as well. We formed a golden cross recently. That's why we're surging up still. I think we still have some more, possibility of surging even higher to somewhere around like the 129, which is the next level, and possibly even to 145 if the bullishness continues. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see more positive pressure for MagTech and AVAX for now. And with respect to the news on the Ethereum front, I'll say there's just like two news that's really worth mentioning. Both are NFT related news. The first one's with respect to the Crips about 1 hour ago. Talk about Adidas first Ethereum NFT drops, and it accumulates $23 million of transaction costs. It basically shoots up to the top of the chart in terms of NFT sales. $23 million. And I see that the NFT JPG image is a picture of a robot wearing like a Adidas t-shirt, and he looks like a clown at the same time, but he's bald. And he looks like an athletic robot. So I don't know what that really is about. But it's interesting. It seems like a lot of people are investing into NFT, and NFT are either making a lot of people money or losing a lot of people's money. So it's quite interesting to see this, all stem from the value proposition of Ethereum, right? And the other one I was thinking about 3 hours ago was talk about this rare Bored Ape NFT just sold for $275,000 in Ethereum. It's a picture of a monkey wearing a aviation hat with like white hair or like off-white with an orange background. So interesting to see people buying these pictures of monkeys. Quite interesting. And with respect to risk management level, these are levels that I've identified here. I know that you guys have gave me some homework to do, so I need to do more homework on these ones. And sorry for the, there's a lot to do research on and homework on these respective assets. And also as I'm doing this Patreon, this is that's coming out. I'm still refining and perfecting. Excuse me. Oh my god, I almost just died right now. I'm working on it. Apologies for the cough. Hopefully, I'm not killing your ears right now. With respect to the risk management level, these are the levels to dollar cost average at. I'm working on the Patreons. Sorry again for the cough. I'm okay, by the way. It's just that I was drinking water, and I think the water went into the wrong pipe as I'm speaking at the same time drinking water. So that's it really for today. The risk management levels are, further refined, and it's for your reference. It's my conservatism only, so not the perfect ones, but it works for me. So hopefully that you can use it to apply for your methodology, your own personal investment thesis as well, right? So hopefully this is helpful. Really appreciate you for joining me again on this Saturday, and stay tuned to come up. Take care.